special organs of taste, they are mostly associated with papillae, the tiny elevations on the tongue. Taste buds are also found in the linings of the cheeks and on the roof of the mouth. Each person has about 10,000 taste buds, with each bud containing about 100 taste cells. Taste cells are modified epithelial cells and are supported by unmodified epithelial cells. Taste cells functions as receptors. The outer ends of the cells have microvilli, which are the sensitive parts of taste cells. These microvilli are called taste hairs. Each taste bud is shaped somewhat like an onion bud, with an opening called the taste pore at the tip. The taste hairs reaches out through this opening to receive chemicals dissolved in saliva. At the near end of the taste cell, the end opposite to the taste hairs is a network of nerve fibers wrapped around the taste cells. A stimulated taste cell triggers an impulse on a nerve fiber that travels to the brain.
As we breathe in, odor particles present in the air enter the nostrils and then passes through the nasal cavity. Mucus and cilia along the inside wall of the nasal cavity trap and remove dust and pathogens from the air. Also, the mucus tissues in the nasal cavity have an important role to protect the tissues from contamination by bacteria. Underneath the mucus in the olfactory epithelium, specialized receptor cells called sensory neurons or chemoreceptors detect the odor. From there, these sensory neurons transmit information to the olfactory bulbs. The olfactory bulbs have memory neurons which send messages directly to the brain centers. These brain centers perceive odors and access memories, which reminds us about people, places, or events associated with these olfactory sensations.